Ever walked into a store, seen a massive line snaking around the corner, and thought, there's got to be a better way? Or maybe you're a business owner, drowning in paperwork, struggling to keep track of inventory, and wishing for a simpler, more efficient system? Well, you're not alone. And that's exactly why we're talking about Lightspeed today. In today's fast-paced world, businesses, big and small, need to be agile, adaptable, and most importantly, efficient. The old ways of doing things, the clunky cash registers, the manual inventory counts, they just don't cut it anymore. They slow you down, they lead to errors, and ultimately they cost you money. That's where technology comes in, and that's where Lightspeed shines. So what exactly is Lightspeed? Simply put, Lightspeed is a cloud-based point-of-sale, POS, and commerce platform designed to streamline operations and empower businesses to grow. It's more than just a cash register. It's a comprehensive suite of tools that integrate everything from sales and inventory management to customer relationship management and even e-commerce. Think of it as a central hub for your entire business. Imagine being able to see your sales data in real time, track your inventory levels with pinpoint accuracy, manage your customer database, and even run marketing campaigns, all from one platform. That's the power of Lightspeed. Now let's break down some of the key features and benefits of Lightspeed and see how it can help different types of businesses. First and foremost, Lightspeed offers a robust point-of-sale system. This isn't your grandfather's cash register. Lightspeed's POS is intuitive, user-friendly, and highly customizable. It can handle everything from processing transactions and printing receipts to managing discounts, returns, and layaways. And because it's cloud-based, you can access your sales data from anywhere, at any time. But Lightspeed is much more than just a POS system. It also offers powerful inventory management tools. Say goodbye to manual stock taking and spreadsheets. Lightspeed allows you to track your inventory levels in real time, set reorder points, and even generate reports to see which products are selling best and which ones are lagging behind. This helps you optimize your inventory, avoid stockouts, and ultimately, increase your profitability. Another key feature of Lightspeed is its customer relationship management, CRM, capabilities. Lightspeed allows you to collect customer data, track their purchase history, and even segment your customers based on their preferences. This information can be invaluable for creating targeted marketing campaigns and building stronger relationships with your customers. Imagine being able to send personalized emails to your loyal customers, offering them exclusive discounts or promotions. That's the kind of personalized experience that keeps customers coming back for more. And speaking of marketing, Lightspeed also offers a range of marketing tools to help you reach new customers and grow your business. From email marketing and loyalty programs to social media integration, Lightspeed gives you the tools you need to connect with your audience and promote your brand. One of the biggest advantages of Lightspeed is its scalability. Whether you're a small boutique or a multi-location retail chain, Lightspeed can adapt to your needs. It's designed to grow with your business, so you don't have to worry about outgrowing your software. Now, let's talk about some specific examples of how Lightspeed can be used in different industries. For retailers, Lightspeed offers a comprehensive solution for managing everything from sales and inventory to customer relationships and marketing. Whether you're selling clothing, electronics, or home goods, Lightspeed can help you streamline your operations and improve your bottom line. For restaurants, Lightspeed offers a specialized POS system designed to handle the fast-paced environment of the food service industry. It can manage orders, tables, menus, and even integrate with online ordering platforms. This helps restaurants improve efficiency, reduce errors, and provide a better dining experience for their customers. For e-commerce businesses, Lightspeed offers seamless integration with popular online platforms, allowing you to manage your online and offline sales from one central dashboard. This gives you a unified view of your business and makes it easier to track your performance across all channels. And for businesses in the hospitality industry, such as hotels and resorts, Lightspeed offers a range of tools to manage bookings, guest information, and other aspects of their operations. So, as you can see, Lightspeed is a versatile platform that can be used by a wide range of businesses. It's designed to be flexible and adaptable, so it can meet the unique needs of different industries. But what really sets Lightspeed apart is its user-friendly interface and its commitment to customer support. Lightspeed understands that technology can be intimidating, especially for small business owners who may not be tech-savvy. That's why they've invested in creating a platform that's easy to use and intuitive, even for beginners. And if you do need help, Lightspeed offers excellent customer support to guide you through any issues you may encounter. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but how much does it cost? Lightspeed offers different pricing plans to suit the needs of different businesses. The cost will vary depending on the features you need and the size of your business. However, it's important to remember that Lightspeed is an investment in your business. It's designed to save you time and money in the long run by streamlining your operations and improving your efficiency. Choosing the right POS system is a critical decision for any business. It's a decision that will impact everything from your sales and inventory management to your customer relationships and marketing efforts. And with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. But if you're looking for a comprehensive, scalable, and user-friendly platform that can help you grow your business, Lightspeed is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.